Hello, my name is Angel Jimena Ramirez, and the activity is pronunciation practice. The sentence number one is the airplane taxi down the runway before taking off. Number two is the airplane circled around the airport, waiting patiently to receive permission to land. And number three is the moon is a barren, rocky world without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. The moon keeps changing in shape as it moves around the earth.